During the 2011-2012 school year, my English 2 classes used the social network Ning to archive and talk about our work. As we read novels, poetry, and plays, students discussed what they were reading and made connections to historical and current events. Students also used the Ning to debate what service learning projects they wanted to initiate, and then posted pictures and reflections documenting the process. Project-based learning drives the curriculum at Eastside Memorial Green Tech, and the Ning provides a space for archiving students' products, including podcasts, multimedia presentations, and movies. As students draft collaborative and individual pieces, they are posted on the Ning for comments and advice. I often struggle with facilitating authentic and useful peer conferring in my classroom. How do I get around the time constraints? How do I help my students become more thoughtful in their responses to each other? What I have found this year is that online peer conferring has helped my students move towards a more critical and ultimately helpful approach. Here are 3 of the peer conferring strategies that students use to help each other with their writing. The first helps the author determine whether or not their piece is being interpreted the way they intended. The second, tag, gives the reader something positive along with some advice. I found my students needed some help when it came to asking each other good, probing questions. The last was probably the most fun and creative for students. They were asked to give titles to each paragraph in a writer's piece. This helped the writers to understand what content in the piece was really popping out, but it also helped the readers as they had to identify the main idea. Students then responded back to each other to answer questions, clarify, or thank each other for their words. It was a very personal experience, and writers are able to get back much more feedback than when we do this same process face-to-face. To hear students talk about using the Ning, please watch my next video.